Are you in the mood for some flavor explosion? Get ready because we are making the spicy, peppery, chatpata chicken fry that is so addictive you'll want to eat it over and over again. Let's make this together. I'm using 800 grams of chicken with bone. We will marinate this with half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1.5 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and it's better if you use fresh garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, or more if you like it hotter, 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala. I said it's going to be chatpata. 1 tablespoon of crushed ginger garlic, 2 tablespoons of plain unsweetened yogurt. Don't add too much yogurt, we want this to be a dry recipe. And lastly, approximately 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. We want to take our time and mix this thoroughly so all the pieces are coated with this chatpata blend of spices. Let this marinate for 1 hour at least. And while the chicken is marinating, to a grinder jar add as many green chillies as you like, a big handful of coriander leaves, 10 to 15 curry leaves, and 1 tablespoon of Kasuri methi. This blend of herbs is going to take the chicken fry to the next level. You'll see, it's gonna taste so good. Grind this to a coarse paste like that and set that aside. Alright, our chicken is marinated and now let's set a pan on medium-high heat and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. To that, we are going to add in our marinated chicken. Do you hear that sizzling sound? That means the oil is nice and hot. If your pan is big enough, make sure to spread the chicken in a single layer as much as possible. We want to stir fry the chicken pieces till they brown a little bit. This should approximately take 5 minutes or so. And make sure to cook on high heat because if you cook on low heat, a lot of liquid is going to ooze out from the chicken and it's not going to brown well. Alright, looks like the chicken has browned a little bit. Now we are going to turn down the heat and place the lid on for approximately 3 minutes. Hey, do you want more exciting recipes like this? Then subscribe to my channel. As you can see, a lot of liquid has oozed out from the chicken pieces. Let's give that a stir just to make sure that the chicken pieces have not burnt. And since there's enough liquid, we don't have to worry. We can place the lid on for another 7 to 10 minutes till the chicken pieces cook through. If there isn't enough liquid, you can add a little bit water and then place the lid on. You can already tell that the meat is falling off the bone and the chicken pieces are nice and soft, perfectly cooked through. And now it's time for us to crank up the heat to medium-high again, and we want to get rid of all this gravy. Hey, if you're enjoying this recipe, do give me a thumbs up. As more and more water evaporates, you'll see that the gravy turns oily and translucent. And from time to time, scrape that brown masala that's sticking to the bottom of the pan. That is where the flavor is, my friends. Mix that into the oil. Now move the chicken pieces to one side and add that aromatic herb paste that we made directly into the oil. Give that a quick stir in the oil and then make sure to coat all the chicken pieces with that aromatic herb paste. Can you see the char on this chicken? This is so mouth-watering. I have to make this again. Add salt to taste. And to give it some kick, we want to finally squeeze some fresh lime juice. And done! This tastes amazing with rice or roti, or you know what, just pick up a piece and start eating it. It's so good! Do let me know if you enjoyed this recipe. If you haven't already, do subscribe to my channel. I post exciting recipes every week. And don't forget to press that notification bell so the next recipe comes straight to you. If you're just interested in the recipe and want to skip all my blabbering and chattering, you can find the written recipe in my blog. All the links are in the description. Alright then, see you next week. Bye bye.